Hello and welcome to Love Anything Art. I'll be starting with this candy cane, and I have showed you how to make that in a previous video, and I'll put a link for that in the description below if you want to check that out to see how I made this. Going to take a piece and roll each of the ends out into a point. And then I will twist it to give it the candy cane look. On each end, I'll gently start to roll it up so that it has a swirly pattern. Once I've done that on both sides, I'm going to find the middle and pinch it out a little bit so that it comes to a point. And then bend it down. That's going to be the top part of my heart. And then at this point you can just bend and shape it into whatever size or shape heart you want. And I like the way that looks. And I'm going to go ahead and bake it. And I'm just going to use the back of this mold. It's a nice flat surface. I just want to make sure that the clay sits flush against there. I'm going to take some resin and pour it in there. Once I have a good amount in there, I'm just going to take a toothpick and start to move it around gently so it fills in all of those ends and holes and areas. I'm going to use my little mini UV resin light to cure it. And then once I've cured it, I'm just going to pop it off of there. Comes off pretty easily. There is a little bit of extra that came out around the edges, and it's okay. I'll just take my tool here and just shave off a little bit of that excess resin that came through. You could also use a pair of small scissors. I'm going to use my drill that I got from Byeee Craft. I'm going to just drill a hole at the top for my eye hook. And I'll just go ahead and glue in my eye hook. Now all of these pretty glitters, I'm going to pick out one color, and I really like this blue. It's a nice Christmassy color. I'm going to take a little bit of UV resin, not a lot, just a little bit, just to coat one side of the resined area. And this is so that I can get the glitter to stick to it. And then just use a toothpick and you can just get it all covered in there. And however you want to get the glitter out of your container, just start sprinkling it all over your resin. And then of course smack your glitter container so you get it all over the place. Once you have the amount of glitter you want in there, just dump off any excess. And again, I'm going to use my UV light to cure it. You could use the sunshine too. Now I'm going to put a little bit of resin on top just to seal it all in. Then you'll want to do the back side too, and all of the candy cane parts. And cure once more. And I put an eye hook at the top, and I have earrings. I really like the way these came out. Thought they were really cool. Oh, and it's so sparkly. I love it. And I hope to see you tomorrow and every day until December 25th. I will be making one video every day. So if you enjoyed this video, please hit that subscribe button. And also, I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!